Hey! In front of me is OPPO Reno6 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications on this device. Start by opening Settings and clicking on Notifications and Status Bar. Now tap on Manage Notifications and finally scroll down. Pick one of your apps, for example Booking.com. And now when I click on the switcher next to it, all notifications from Booking are now disabled. If you wish to enable them, just click at the same switcher. You can also tap on one of your apps and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!